Hi folks, I'm Rohin from VaraTech and welcome to this video on Internet of Things, aka IoT. Now, Internet of Things, have you heard of this? You might have, and you may be confused as to exactly what it is. Very simply, it refers to taking everyday things and connecting them to the internet. You're already seeing it with things like fridges, which can order your shopping based on what's in it, your central heating controls, CCTV, and even doorbells. Technically, anything that is connected to the internet falls under the Internet of Things banner. The application of IoT can literally stretch to anything. We are seeing its use in industry, where a myriad of sensors can remotely relay critical information such as temperature, moisture, and air quality. Sensors, when paired with an internet connection, can be just as useful in a manufacturing environment as in a farming environment. The data collected can then be used to make better decisions on any actions that may need to be taken. IoT can also be used to perform actions. For instance, on a farm, if soil moisture drops below a certain threshold, it can trigger another sensor to water the crops until it reaches the required level. We're also seeing an exponential increase of IoT at home too. Smart homes are becoming increasingly popular, where literally anything from the lights, to music, to washing machines, to the heating can all be connected to the internet and controlled using an app. Thanks for watching this video on Internet of Things. Please do like, share and tag someone in the comments who would find this video useful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.